Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review Scent Botanica 20% Vitamin C Face Serum after 4 weeks of use. So let's get started. And before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and like this video too. So this is Scent Botanica 20% Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Currently retails for ₹999 for 20 ml of this product. I said currently because I purchased this product 3 months back in its older cardboard packaging, which was price tagged ₹1799 for this 20 ml of this product. So yeah, they have now changed the outer cardboard packaging and also decreases the prices too. But you can always get this product in some offer or in lightning deal in the 800-ish range. I also got this in the same range 3 months back too. Okay, first thing first, let's get into the ingredient list of this product. This is the whole ingredient list which they have put in their website and also ranked each of the ingredients as per the Paula's Choice category, like which one is best, good or average, but has deliberately left blank for those which aren't so, which I found a bit shady to be honest. Okay, now let's get into the ingredient list in details. Firstly, it has purified water as solvent. Second is 20% vitamin C. They have used 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is the most stablest and effective form. Fifth ingredient is sodium hyaluronate, which is a salt form of hyaluronic acid. It acts as a humectant. The eighth ingredient is 1% vitamin E acetate. Other good ingredients are Cica, aka Centella asiatica extract, green tea extract, and jojoba oil. This serum has a earthy, fruity, floral smell of clary sage essential oil. So this product contains fragrance. It also contains other essential oils and also witch hazel extract, which can irritate dry and sensitive skin. Vitamin C in general is an antioxidant. It promotes the collagen production, which brightens the skin and also gives firmness to it, and also protects the skin against the UV damage too. Coming to this product, it also claims the same and also claims to reduce the sign of aging and also acne spots. And yeah, this brand is made in India and it is completely vegan and also silicone, paraben, sulfate, mineral oil and cruelty free. Coming to the packaging, it comes in a pump tinted glass bottle, which I actually like because pump packaging reduces the oxidation rate and also convenient to use. I use this serum on my night skincare routine right after washing my face on a damp skin and before moisturizer. It is advisable to use vitamin C during day, but I prefer to use actives on night only as I have sensitive skin. The texture of this serum is really light, non-sticky and hydrating. It gets absorbed into the skin easily. Now coming to my experience with this product. And my experience with this product is so bad, like it broke me out horribly. I have batch tested the product 24 hours before using it and it was completely fine. And then when I start using it, after 4-5 days my skin starts reacting to it. Initially I thought it was purging because this is 20% vitamin C, which is really potent to be honest. So and to discriminate between purging and breaking out, you have to give a product at least 3 to 4 weeks because that's the normal regeneration rate of your skin. So I tried this product for 4 weeks and all in vain. I really had high hopes with this product because it was so huge selling on Amazon and it was quite popular. But yeah, along me, my sister was also using this product. She don't have a sensitive skin. That's why maybe it didn't broke her out or she didn't even purge. But after completing this whole bottle, as you can see, it is almost empty. there hasn't been any significant difference in her acne spots or hyperpigmentation. Like, it did nothing to her skin. So overall, I won't recommend this product to anyone, as mainly because in this price range there are really very good potent vitamin C in the market. Though one thing I really liked about this product is that I am reviewing this after 3 months of opening this bottle and it hasn't gone any oxidation. That's the very good part. So yeah, as they said, skincare is very subjective. Which works for me might not work for you, or vice versa. So yeah, if you have tried this product and it worked or didn't work, let me know in the comment section. So this all I have to say about the Scent Botanica 20% vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid face serum. See you in the next one. Until then, bye. Take care.